I got a comment the other day that really surprised me. I'd never heard of this tip to be able to save both the battery life on your iPhone, but also mobile or cell data at the same time. And the best part about it is it doesn't require any downgrade of the functionality of your iPhone. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that and how powerful it is. So the first thing you're going to do on your iPhone is take your finger and swipe down. In the search bar here, we're just going to search for Shortcuts. It's a default app that comes pre-installed on your phone. So just tap on the Shortcuts app. And now after you've done that, tap on the Automation button at the bottom center. Next, tap on New Automation. And on here, just scroll down until you get to Wi-Fi and tap on that. Now on here, we're going to essentially set the Wi-Fi when you do connect to regular Wi-Fi networks. This is like at your office or your home, places that you regularly connect to. We're going to set as soon as you connect to that Wi-Fi, it will disconnect from your cell data. So you'll still be able to get calls and text messages, but it won't constantly be using your data or your battery life, checking the cell data while you're on Wi-Fi. To be able to do that, tap on Network and tap on the Choose button next to it. And then scroll down and find a network that you regularly connect to. This is my home network, so I'm going to tap on that one. And then tap on the check mark at the top right. Next, we're going to make sure it says is joined. So when we join this network, and I would toggle on Run After Connection Interruption. And we don't want to run after confirmation because we just want it to run immediately. After you've done that, tap the Next button at the top right. And then the next thing we need to do is what will happen. So we've essentially set up that automation when we connect to that Wi-Fi network, what happens? And in this case, tap on the search bar at the bottom and just type in data. You'll either see set cellular data or set mobile data. It's the exact same. Just tap on that. And then we're going to set the cellular data instead of on, tap the on button and switch it to off. Now tap the check mark and you're good to go. Whenever you connect to that Wi-Fi network, it'll turn the cell data off. However, when you disconnect from that network, we want it to turn the cell data back on. So all we're going to do is tap on the plus at the top right, scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Let's choose that same network. So I'm going to choose my home network and hit the check mark. And now I'm going to hit this is disconnected and run immediately. After I've done that, and yours looks just like that, tap the next button at the top right. And then here's set cellular data, or you can just search for it again. And then I'm going to switch this to on and tap the check mark. So now essentially anytime I connect to my home Wi-Fi network, it'll turn cell data off. And when I disconnect, it'll turn cell data back on. Keep in mind, again, you'll get calls and text messages perfectly fine because all of those go through the mobile network, not necessarily the mobile data or cell data. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.